Simon Joshua Over, and today I will be demonstrating our case number 2, which requires two push buttons normally closed, and when pushed, the cylinder will move forward, and if the other button is pushed, it will retract backwards. So first, we have our air compressor, we have our air service unit, we have our air distributor, and two normally closed push buttons, and a double acting cylinder. So first, we will use a 6mm hose, connect it to the air compressor, make sure it is tight, and then we will connect it to the air service unit. And then next, we will use another 6mm hose to connect from the air service unit to the air distributor. And then next, we will connect a 3mm hose into the P side of a normally closed push button. And then from the normally closed push button, from the A side, connect it to the double acting cylinder. And then next, we will use another 3mm hose to connect to the other normally closed push button. Connect it again to the B side. And then from the A side of the push button, connect it to the double acting cylinder. Now we will test the case number 2. So now we will test the experiment. First, we must open the air compressor, and then turn on the air service unit. Then push the other button for it to run. Then to disassemble, first close the air service unit, and then turn off the air compressor. And then to remove the hose, press the lock circle, and then pull the wires. That's all. Thank you.